Hello, I'm Jack Nicholson, and I'm Heath Ledger. And us Jokers are going to sing a song not about Batman, but another one of your favorite superheroes. Plus, we need to send this to Cesar Romero and Mark Hamill. Begin? One, two, three, go! Spider-Man, Spider-Man, voyeurism is his plan. Hide your garments, hide your shoes, he'll sniff them out like their perfume. Look out! Look out! Here's the Creeper Man!